Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Vippu. So today I'm gonna show you how to contour your round face. If you have a little bit of chubbiness on your face, if you have round face, doesn't matter. We are gonna make the face chiseled and structured. So if you like this video, then do give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. And before any further ado, let's get started. For starters, what is exactly contour? What it does? So contouring is when you are creating shadow on your face by outline. When it comes to face, when you add contour on your face, you are pushing it back and creating shadows, which helps to define specific area. We can create a sculpted look that can help your nose look slimmer, your forehead look a little smaller, your cheekbone looks much sharper and defined without undergoing any needles. Isn't that amazing? What highlight does is highlight is exact opposite of contouring. By highlighting any particular area, you are taking it forward. You are making it more prominent. That's why you highlight a particular area. So that was the theory of contour and highlight. Let's move on to the demo. So if you can feel, this is your cheekbone here. So you can feel the bone and there is a hollow just underneath the bone. So the exact contouring needs to be there in the hollow of your cheek. But if you have a little chubby cheeks like me and you want to lift your cheekbone a little up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go a little above the hollow of my cheek. So that's how I will lift the cheekbone a little higher so my face looks more structured. I'm gonna take the NYX contour palette. First of all, I will start with this first shade. It's more like a bronzy shade, it's more warm tone, so it will give that color back to my face. As you can see, face is looking flat, so I want the colors and the shadows to be back in my face. So first I will use this color. The brush I am using is Pro Art PF07. This is how it looks. So basically the flat top part, I'm gonna take some product and dust it off extra. Very light-handedly we have to start, and I'm gonna deposit the product here, and then slowly, when there is like almost nothing on the brush, I will slowly bring it inwards. Always blend your contour into the hairline. So just keep in mind that 2 finger away you have to stop over here. And if you have broader forehead, then I like to contour like a little bit over here and then here. I don't touch this center part of my face where the natural light is coming. I don't touch that part. I just contour on the side like very lightly like this, just to bring that color back. See the difference? Let me just show you. Yeah, so there is some color back and there is shadow forming on this side of the forehead, and this side of the forehead is completely flat. So I want to hide the double chin. So what you will do is, this is your line. So if I am stretching my chin, I can see the jawline, so I am drawing a line exactly on the jawline and I'm blending this downwards. I don't want to take it upward because this part of the face, I want to keep it as it is. So shadows will be down here. Just a little bit powder, and what a difference it is making. And you can see the difference. Let me quickly do the left part of my face as well. That was the face contour, the cheekbone, jawline and forehead. We have covered everything. Let's move on to the nose contour. So I always take my contour into my eyebrow like this. So that's how I will see my contour is coming from here and it will going straight over here. To contour my nose, I'm gonna take a eyeshadow brush, a round eyeshadow brush. It looks like this. I will start from here and then I'm moving towards my eyebrow. So I'm taking my contour into the eyebrow line like this. After drawing the line, I'm gonna softly blend the edges, very softly, in a circular motions. You can see shadow over here, and this part of my nose is completely flat, and we'll do the same thing on the left side as well. I've blended the nose contour and this is how my nose looks like. For blush, I am again using an NYX palette. This is the palette. This one is Sweet Cheek blush palette and these are the blush colors. I'm gonna mix the bronzy shade over here and a little orange shade over here. I'm gonna use the same brush I used for contour. So just make sure there is no color on the brush. Take it into the contour and whatever is left, just apply it on the bridge of your nose and on the apples of your cheek as well. Now it's time for highlight, and for highlight I'm using the Maybelline strobe highlight. So this one is molten gold and this is such a beautiful gold color. For highlighting today I'm going to use this fan brush. This one is, I guess, yeah, it's from ProArt PF09 fan brush. So I'm gonna take the highlighter on the brush. There is a natural light going on the tip of the nose, on this area, this part. So when I turn my face, you can see this highlighted part. I have not highlighted yet, but you can see this part. So I'm gonna highlight basically the bone here. This is the cheekbone and this is the part you highlight. I'm gonna highlight like this. So you have to merge your highlight into your blush because you are keeping it on top of each other. I'm also gonna apply on the eyebrow bone, this highest part like this, and you can see I've used very little product and see the highlight. That's why I love this highlight. So I'm gonna take it a little bit on the cheek as well, so when I see in the front you can still see the highlight. On the tip of my nose, please don't apply your highlight like all over your nose bridge. It doesn't look nice. Your nose looks very greasy, oily, and it's not a very flattering look. So always apply the highlighter exactly on the tip and just bridge of the nose like this. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna apply it here above my eyebrows. Also apply the highlighter on the cupid bow. I don't like applying my highlighter on the chin because as a oily skin person it looks very greasy. I don't like it. If you like, that's your preference completely, you can apply it. I'm taking a smaller pencil brush and same highlighter and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye. So that was it for today's video and I hope you have learned something new out of all these tips and tricks for contour, blush and highlight. That was it for today's video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.